Greater Portmore. Here we are. She's a little one. We are on the delivery trail. Sunny Greater Portmore. Yes, that's what they say. Kayla, it's my pleasure taking your package to you. Tell me how you feel about the service. Is it your first time, by the way?
Yes, this is my first package.
Your first one?
Yes.
Alright, cool. How you like it? Tell me.
The service is great, very affordable. I actually had a different service overseas first that was like 8 times more expensive.
8 times?
Yes.
You hear that? They are 8 times more expensive than us. Tell me you're going to tell everyone about this.
Yes, absolutely.
So when did you pay for the package though?
July 8th.
July 8th you bought it? No, I mean.
Oh yeah, when I paid for it.
Yeah, to get yesterday.
Today.
You got today.
I paid for it today.
You paid for it today?
Same
She getting it today. Delivery immediately. That is how we do it on this delivery trail. That is how we do it at this company. You cannot want anything better than that. No. Do you want anything better than that? Really, answer me. Answer me. Anything else you want to say to us?
Oh,
Nothing else?
Thanks for that service.
Make sure you invite your friends and family. We would really appreciate it. All this niceness that you're experiencing, we want everyone to get it. All right?
All right.
Now that's how we are on the delivery trailer. Make sure our customers are satisfied all day, every day. She's a little one, but she's bigly satisfied. Have a good one. Thanks much. All right?